Welcome to CPC exam practice questions. In this video, we will test your coding knowledge across various coding sets. Here are the instructions. Pause the video at each question and try answering before the solution appears. Remember to comment your answer below. Question 1 focuses on ICD-10CM. If a patient is diagnosed with acute appendicitis, which ICD-10CM code applies? The correct answer is K35.80, which is acute appendicitis unspecified. This is based on the principal diagnosis rule. For question 2, in the CAPTAIN set, a physician performs a colonoscopy with biopsy. Which CAPTAIN code should be applied? The correct code is 45,380, colonoscopy with biopsy. CPT guidelines require a procedure-specific code. Question 3 is from the HCPCS set. If a patient receives a wheelchair, which HCPCS code category applies? The answer is E-codes, which stands for Durable Medical Equipment. HCPCS Level 2 covers supplies and equipment. Here is an engagement question for you. Which HCPCS code category covers wheelchairs? Is it A codes, J codes, E codes, or G codes? Practice questions. Build exam confidence. Subscribe to CPC Coding Academy for daily prep tutorials and career tips. Our next video will cover CPC exam time management practice.